So guys, for today's video, me and Lady, come here. If I say Lady, you come here. Say, Lady's here. So Lady's there, guys. You say hi. Hi to them. Hi everybody, me and Lady for today's video. Yeah. Ayan si Lady. Yan. I-walk namin siya today.
Too cold.
Yeah, correct. I know.
What else is cold?
The wind, bang good. We're go home now?
Yeah, we're gonna go all the way around.
Okay.
Like we always do.
Mm.
Quarter of a mile is good for our first walk.
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
Yep. Great
great
for
job.
walking. Look at that.
Great job. He hasn't tugged on me once.
No.
Not once.
She stopped now if she knows.
Yeah.
Then walk
We gotta learn to
slowly.
bring something to pick up poop, okay?
Yeah, bitong.
Can't have that happen.
Come here, nanak. Oh no, snow.
She don't care anymore.
She didn't care notice.
She just gets off of everything.
There na. We're out na di ay.
Dog right here. Deer.
Deer.
Deer. Yep.
Deer, bitaw.
Deer here.
Deer truck.
Yeah.
Not there, not other side. We go still doing over there. Farther. That's our house over
Good
there.
girl.
Good girl mo na, oy. Good girl. Yuck. What's that? Into the wind. Lady's walking today.
You know,
What?
we could have bought that, put solar panels on the roof,
Oh.
compost toilet, and then we never have to worry about pipes or anything.
Mm.
You know, we could have done that. Lived
Maybe
in that
she
little
go
thing.
pee.
She pee again?
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, she acts like it.
Yeah.
First she smells another dog.
Anak. Di na na kayo sa wind. Di na na.
Come on, Anak. Come on, baby.
So, ayun guys. Ganito.
Girl.
Ito yung park doon. Yung park doon. Sa ay, hindi mo makita. Basta yun ang park. Tapos basketball court yan dyan. So, pwede kang mag-play. No? Say, yan anak. Okay, nasa man ako eh. So cold. Okay na anak. Ito magpunta. Mag-block. So, ladies walking. So, ladies over there. Hi, lady. Ladies over here. So, na. Ito ka the other side. Ano tayo mag-punta? So, yun na guys. Sobrang cold dito. Sa labas. Grabe. So, yan ang aming lady. Nag-walk na siya. Okay, you got walk today, Nak.
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh my God.
Yep, good girl. You didn't see no other animals though.
No,
Squirrels, no nothing.
I saw a squirrel, but she didn't see it.
No. Good girl. We might see a dog on the corner up there.
We're not.
Somebody else is walking right there.
Yeah, I said. Yan si lady. Yan. Diyan ka lady. Tama ni dada. Uy, na. Nasa nga ay.
That'll get you dizzy.
Yeah, syempre.
Good girl.
So, yun na. Straight
Good
namin.
girl.
Si lady dito. Ha. So cold.
Good for us too.
Yeah, we need to walk though.
Yeah, we'll be doing plenty of that when we start walking the dog.
Mm. She got a nice coat.
Yeah, nice coat.
Nak, you got a beautiful coat, nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
There's a lady. You heard that dog? You heard that? What is that? Oh, dada ha, to your side. Come back here. Yuck. Nak, where are you now? She knows how to stop now. Okay, one walk, one done. Come here. Find our house. Let's see. Find our house now. Find our house. Okay. Wow. Just keep walking, Dada. Just nearly come on.
Here you go, honey. You can meet us at the back.
Okay. Where's our house? Where's our house? Where? You find it? Uh-oh guys, mag-remove tayo sa coat ni Lady. We just went outside. We did walk for her. Come on, Lady. Come here. Come on. Okay, sit down. Sit down, show them. Sit down, okay. Sit down, good girl. So we remove, this one is her coat guys. As you can see, it's pretty. Pretty. So let's remove her coat. Nagstay na siya guys. Dito na, tanaw dito. Tanaw dito. So, yan na. Paiwa pa, not done pa. Not done yet. So lady, for today's video is lady's video. Anong balik din? So ano rin kuhaon diri guys. Sit down. Wow! So ladies here. Up na. Up. Shoot him. Shoot him. So ladies here. Hi everybody. Hi, my name is Lady. Come here na. Hug mo. Hug kay. We went outside. We went outside ba? We went outside, di ba? No? What did we do? Sit down. Sit down. Get up. Sit. Sit na. Sit. Sit down. Okay, good girl. See, pretty girl. Who's pretty? Who's pretty? Pretty man yung baby. Tao mo baby guys, no? Pretty na siya today guys. So, I guess guys, that's it for today. Anak, thank you for watching, Nak. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sama na, oy. Okay, Dana. Salamat. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye na, Nak. Bye-bye na, Nak. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.